So right after you install your new pads, don't just drive away and drive normally because your brakes are going to be very faint. The reason for that is because your pads hasn't been broken in, so it hasn't paired, if you may say, with the disc. Let me just fix my side mirror. See how faint your brakes are? So your first routine should be to just drive slow and then apply long, light brakes. So not heavy brake, not heavy braking, but long, light brakes. So it's almost like practicing front brakes. So 10%. So gradually you will increase the braking power. But of course, make sure you have proper intervals so that your brakes will not overheat. Now you can just do it in the parking lot, or you can do it outside. Driving quite faster will cool the brakes properly done in a parking lot. So let's go out. Light brakes. See, I'm braking right now. That's how light the brakes I'm doing. Brakes. Light brakes. I'm on the brakes right now. So make sure you do this on a not so busy road because people will be annoyed with your brake lights coming on and off. No cars behind. Light brakes. Now because I have replaced both front and rear, and I have to brake in my rear brakes as well. Braking, braking, braking. 10%. No one, no car behind. Braking, 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 and so at this moment, your brakes would be probably hot. No, still cold. So the longer you do your braking process, the more stronger your brakes will be. Because the problem with brakes is if you brake hard on it while it's on braking process, the if you may say the scuffing is not going to be even. For the rear, actually, you can drag it while accelerating. You can press on your brakes. But remember, just keep in mind that the cars behind you will get annoyed because your brake lights is turning on. So I'm actually braking the rear right now while I'm accelerating. But of course, this is much more. But of course, this will produce much more heat because you are actually forcing the brakes. Braking, 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 braking. See, my brakes are getting stronger and stronger. The more I break this in, it's going to be faint because it's going to be hotter. So make sure to give enough intervals so that your brake will not fade. You call brake fade, and that's because of heat. So just be careful. Brake, 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 brake. I can brake here because it's a left turn. Now, can you brake the front while driving? Like while accelerating? Yes. If you can, if you're really good at modulating, yeah. But don't do this excessively because this is going to be very hot. Like right now, I'm on the brakes and it's going to be hot. So just every now and then. Brake, brake. The brakes are very light. I'm lightly pressing the brakes right now. So when you're braking in your brakes, so on stoplights, avoid holding onto your brakes because that will like it's like ironing your clothes. You're ironing it too much. It's going the disc is going to be hot and the pad is going to be pressed on it. So it's it's almost like how can I explain it? Like tempering, something like that. Brakes are going to be like tempered glass. So try to avoid that. I know we do it all the time when when the brakes are not new, but when it's new, uh, try to avoid it because there's glaze in your brakes. There's there's a lot of stuff that you need to scrub out. So, is it hot? Still good. We'll do more breaking in later. I'll just do some errands.